Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this volleyball practice net. This thing looks super easy to put together. They give you a nice instruction guide. It actually comes with this nice carrying case, so whenever you're done playing, you can actually just put it in the nice case. It's got some nice handles. You zip it up and take it with you, whether you want it to go for practice or just outside in the yard. I'm gonna get this put together, and then I'm gonna have my daughter play it, and we'll show you all the features for it. All right, I've got all this put together. Now you can actually adjust these things super easy. And I love that you don't have to poke in on something. It's just this little crank knob, and you can see all of your settings just right here on the side. So that way you also know that your net is level. So you just turn this and pull this up and down, and you can easily adjust it from 6.5 feet all the way up to 8 feet. So that is really nice. Now you've got your net up here. You can go ahead and just play the volleyball, whether you're setting, spiking, or just hitting it. Kind of goes down in there, falls down into the ball, and then you are ready to go. Comes out through this nice long net, because that allows you to lift it up higher and have this all set up to whatever level you're wanting to do. So this is fantastic whether you are a beginner or advanced. It allows you to practice the height of the net. It's got really strong cords through here, so that way they're not going to break. And you can leave this outside if you wanted to, but with that nice travel case, just take it with you and you're ready to go.